water heater. Tile shop. I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm trying to make my way back to the farmer's market because I need some olive oil. So olive oil is expensive everywhere, right? The big bottle, the big one, it's easily 20 bucks wherever you go. 25 even, maybe even more, depends on where you are. The farmer's market, the big bottle is like, it's 1,300 dinar, which is like 1270 or something. So I'll go there instead of Maxi. I try to walk to all these little different places to, you know, maximize my expenditure, or my savings, should I say. Attorney. Yeah, one thing, so when I make these videos, I feel far more comfortable being on streets where I'm not troubling anybody. I don't like to get in people's face, and some people are really nice about it. Some people encourage it. And then you can tell there's others that are like, you know, get away from me. And because of that, I'm not trying to, you know, cause any trouble. And especially, I know it's interesting. It's interesting because I watch these videos. It's interesting to me when people go inside of businesses and speak to people. And you know, maybe eventually I'll do that. But I'm just trying to be a fly on the wall kind of. What do the hobbits say? You know, don't cause trouble and trouble won't come to you, or something like that. Nice kitty. So over the past 2 weeks, I haven't made videos like this literally in 6 months, and over the last 2 weeks, I've had, I don't know, made 6 or so, and I've had a lot of new subscribers. It's been so nice of you guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate so much you guys liking my videos, subscribing, commenting. It helps me so much. Or it will, so I'm trying to reach 1,000. And now today I think I had 384 subscribers. And once I hit 1,000, I'll get at that level where I can be monetized. Jamaica. Oh, this must be the Jamaican embassy, I assume. Yeah. Business partner consultant. There's some pavers. See little corner shops everywhere. That's the way to do it. I like that. I like having a corner shop. Supporting your local community. It's easy on, you know, for not needing to drive a car. Oh, let's look at this thing. This thing's actually got four. It's like a car. It has four wheels. Huh. I wonder what that's like to ride. It's probably not so easy, huh? Alright, so as you see, there's constant work being done right now in Belgrade because they're getting ready for Expo 2027 and they're putting a lot of effort into infrastructure. The church bells. So this place across the street here, this is my favorite new place to get burek. It's close to me. You see that a lot, like in memoriam kind of posters. It's like an obituary, I guess, notice. across the street. So this is Francesca. I live up this street here. So this is pretty much where we started. I'll take a pass. This is Scardalia up this street. I'll take one pass through the farmer's market since I need to go there anyways. So they have these places here. This is like specialty for cheese, I think. And they have specialty butchers here too. Lots of fruits and vegetables, and then there's a section for like appliances or plumbing parts, things like that. So you can get toiletries. I need olive oil, which I think I know where I'm going to get that. I'll just pass through here really quick. Butcher.